Nanotechnology is the manipulation and application of materials at the nanoscale, typically involving structures with dimensions less than 100 nanometers. At this scale, unique properties and behaviors emerge due to quantum effects. Scientists and engineers use nanotechnology to design, create, and control materials and devices with enhanced functionalities. It spans various fields, including physics, chemistry, biology, and engineering. Applications of nanotechnology range from medicine, where nanoparticles can deliver drugs precisely to targeted cells, to electronics, where nanoscale components enhance device performance. The ability to work at the nanoscale opens up new possibilities for developing advanced materials, improving energy efficiency, and creating innovative technologies across diverse industries.